Today's kitchens have come a long way from when they were small, tucked away spaces used only for preparing food. Today's kitchens are often open to family and dining rooms and have become the heart of the home. Understandably, kitchens rank high on the list of priorities for home buyers and can make or break a sale of a home. Because kitchens are a room that guests see the most, today's savvy home buyers are looking for that trophy kitchen. Whether you're preparing to sell or just update your style on a limited budget, here are 4 tips that I recommend for getting your kitchen renovation started fuss-free. Starting with tip number 1, freshen up your cabinets. Installing new cabinets can be a costly endeavor, but there are cheaper ways to give your cupboards a facelift. Instead of replacing, consider refacing. This involves keeping the existing cabinet boxes but replacing the drawer fronts and the cabinet doors. Alternatively, painting or restaining cabinets is an inexpensive option that will leave your kitchen looking stylish and new. But layering coats of old paint onto your cabinets won't give your kitchen that luxe feel. So make sure to first clean the wood properly with a grease remover and then sand and prime cabinet doors before painting them. Tip number 2, replace the countertop. Replacing a damaged or outdated countertop is a very impactful way of changing the entire look of a kitchen. Unfortunately, a new countertop, especially in desirable materials such as granite or quartz, can come with a hefty price tag. If the price point of a property does not demand high-end countertops, laminate is a cost-effective option. Laminate now offers more realistic granite look-alike selections, which have a large stone pattern and round edge for a high-end look at a fraction of the cost. Tip number 3, update the backsplash. Backsplashes are no longer just a means to protect the walls from spills and splatters. A wide array of eye-catching materials make the backsplash the focal point of today's kitchen. The best part? Backsplashes are small in square footage, which means they don't cost a lot, but they can still add a whole lot of flair. Whether it be subway tile, stone, glass, or inexpensive peel and stick tiles, adding a simple backsplash can help you create that wow factor. And finally, tip number 4, change the lighting. Lighting plays a key role in the overall appearance and efficiency of the kitchen, and a well-lit kitchen is very important when selling. Under cabinet lighting highlights the working areas as well as provides ambient lighting at night. Newer style pendant lights over the island or a statement fixture over a dining table can also add instant glamour itself. And there are my 4 tips for upgrading your kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on how to prepare your home to get it ready for the market, feel free to contact myself or my award-winning real estate team. We are here for you guys. Like always, guys, check me out on all the social media platforms. My handle is Sold with Sandeep. And until next time, take care, and I'll see you then.